Hello guys, welcome to Mobile Maths with Kamchirai. Today I want us to look at some coefficient. We want to find or to calculate coefficient when we are given some problems. Okay, so I've got a couple of questions that I want us to go through. So the question is saying either by expanding, so it means there are other ways that you can even do when you now know these things. You will see when you now know. Okay, expanding the brackets, or otherwise write down the coefficient of x in the following questions. Okay, so let's expand this one. So when expanding, we said this one, we multiply this one with this whole bracket. Then when we are done, we do the same for plus 7, we multiply again with this bracket. Okay, so let's do that. So I'll have x multiplying x plus 9. Then I've got my plus 7 multiplying x plus 9. Okay, like that. Let's simplify. X times x, we get x squared plus 9x there, then plus 7x there. Okay, then now I'm left with 9 times 7 there, so I'll have plus 63. Okay, now we are now at a position that we should simplify these two. Okay, let's simplify. What do we get? We get x squared plus 16x here, then plus 63. Okay, this becomes our final answer there. Now to write the coefficient of x, now it becomes, we consider the coefficient of x. Look at this, x there is the same here. Okay, with that one, now the coefficient is the number that is before that x. So here I've got plus 16, so I can say for this one the coefficient of x is equal to 16. Okay, if you even say plus 16, is one and the same thing. Okay, so that's our coefficient there. Let's move on to the next question. Okay, here I've got another question. We are going to do the same. We expand our bracket. Expanding our bracket, we have x multiplying x plus 8, then minus 3 multiplying again x plus 8. Okay, like that. Let's do that. Multiplying x, we get x squared here, then plus 8x and minus 3x there. Then minus 3 times this one, we get a minus 24 there. Okay, then now we add there and simplify. So I'll get x squared plus 5x minus 24. Okay, so I'm done with expanding. Now I want to write the coefficient. We say the coefficient of x is going to be this whole number, so I can even say the coefficient of x is equal to 5. Okay, so this is the final answer there. Let's move on to the next question. Okay, so here I'm now multiplying. Again, I do the same what I've been doing all along. So I'll have x multiplying the second bracket, x minus 17, then plus 4 multiplying x minus 17, like that. Okay, let's simplify. I'll get x squared here, minus 17x there, then plus 4x here. Then for the last part here, I've got 4 times minus 17. I'll get minus 68. Okay, let's simplify this part. I'll get, let's simplify that part there. We'll get x squared minus 13x and minus 68 there. Okay, so the coefficient of x, the number that has got x there, is going to be this one. So we can write the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is equals to minus 13. Okay, like that. Let's move on to the next question. Okay, so we are doing the same. We multiply, we expand. So I've got 2x multiplying 4x plus 7 plus 5 multiplying 4x plus 7 there. Okay, let's simplify. For the first part, I'll get 8x squared, then plus 14x, and then I've got here plus 20x, then 5 times 7, I get plus 35 there. Okay, like that. Let's add these two and see what we get. So we have got 8x squared, then 14x plus 20x we get plus 34x. Okay, then plus 35 there. Okay, the coefficient of x is going to be the same thing there. We take a number that has got x there, so the coefficient for x is going to be, in this case, coefficient of x is equal to 34. Even if it has got plus, you can write plus 34. It's one and the same thing. Okay, let's do the other question. Okay, this one we do the same. We expand our bracket, so I'll have 3x multiplying the second bracket 5x plus 2, then minus 1 multiplying the second bracket 5x plus 2, like that. Okay, let's simplify. I'll get here 15x squared, then plus 6x minus 5x and minus 2 there. Let's simplify this part. I'll get 15x squared, then plus x minus 2. Okay, like that. So now we have solved. The coefficient of x becomes coefficient of x is equal to, this is the x. So when we have an x like this, it means there is 1, which is silent. So we can say the coefficient of x is 1. Even if you say it's plus 1, it's one and the same thing. Okay, let's finish off. Okay, part F of the question, we expand again. Let's expand. So I'll have 2x multiplying the second bracket, 2x plus 8, then minus 8 multiplying 2x plus 8. Okay, like that. Let's simplify. For 2x times 2x, I get 4x squared. I was not talking about the answer now. Then 2x times 8, we get plus 16x there. Then I've got minus 8 times 2x there, I get minus 16x. Then I've got minus 64 there. Okay, let's solve the x there together. So we have got 4x squared plus 16x minus 16x, we get plus 0x there, minus 64. Okay, like that. So this is the final answer. Now to write the coefficient of x, we just take the number that has got the x there. So in this case, our coefficient of x is going to be is equal to 0. Okay, like that. There. Okay, let's do the last question. Okay, the last part of the question is saying multiply this bracket with that bracket. So what we do, we can write it and say this is equals to 3 plus a by 5 minus 2a, like that. So let's multiply. I'll have expanding 3 by the second bracket 5 minus 2a plus a multiplying 5 minus 2a. Okay, like that. Let's simplify. So I have 3 times 5, I get 15. 3 times minus 2a, I get minus 6a. Then plus a times 5, we get plus 5a. Then the last part, a times minus 2a, I get minus 2a squared there. Okay, let's simplify this part that has got similar terms. I will get 15 minus 6a plus 5a, I get minus a, then minus 2a squared. Okay, so this is our final answer there. Okay guys, bye bye. Remember to subscribe on our channel and share with your colleagues. Bye bye.